Welcome aboard Caye, a 1997 Grand Banks 42-foot wide-body classic, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Grand Banks 42 is one of the most successful trawlers ever produced. Her practical layout, sturdy fiberglass construction, deep water design, and long-range capability all add up to a great cruising boat. Caye is a high-quality, classic yacht which has been well maintained and is ready for the great loop. She is as pretty as she is sound. This is a great opportunity for you to own a traditional yacht without the traditional issues. There is a large extended swim platform with boarding ladder that adds to the ease of access to the boat. Boarding Caye is safe and easy through the gated railings on either side or from the wide swim platform. At the stern is a large open deck area that provides plenty of room for loading the dinghy or for chairs to relax on that perfect day. There is a hatch and doors that access the aft cabin and also provide ventilation and light to the cabin. Her protected side decks are easy to navigate and safe for children and pets. On the bow, you are greeted with a spacious area that, with seating on the deck box, makes for the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunset. Caye is equipped with a LaFrance Tigris windlass and a CQR anchor with easy-to-access controls. The flybridge is easily accessible from the main deck on wide steps with railings that give the feeling of safety and security. There is a generous seating area, and the flybridge offers excellent 360-degree visibility when underway or maneuvering dockside. Caye is equipped with a wide range of electronics at the flybridge helm. There are two large, easily viewed Garmin chart plotters. Additionally, there is a full range of controls ranging from the remote spotlight control, bow thruster, and autopilot. The main salon can be entered through either the port or starboard side doors. The main salon is a bright and airy space with deep windows and custom designer curtains on both sides. The interior of the Classic is ideal for couples with children or guests, offering two private staterooms, one V-berth guest cabin forward, and the master aft, separated by a spacious main salon and galley. The interior is finished in beautiful satin varnished teak and fine fabrics, offering warmth and comfort that is unique to the Grand Banks. The very functional galley includes Corian countertops, a stainless steel sink, a 3-burner electric stove, an oven, and a large refrigerator and microwave. There is a second large refrigerator, an ice maker, and a trash compactor. The beautiful lower helm station features engine controls and a full range of gauges. There is an overhead electronics area with plotter, instruments, and autopilot. The breaker panel is conveniently located next to the helm. The private master cabin is found aft and down 3 steps. This cabin features the preferred queen-size walk-around master berth. There are a number of hanging lockers, dresser, and cabinet storage spaces. The master cabin features a split head arrangement with a vanity and en-suite head to port and a walk-in shower compartment to starboard. The bright and open private owner's head area is spacious and features a vacuum flush freshwater toilet. Forward and 3 steps down is the private guest stateroom with a large V-berth, hanging locker, and abundant drawer storage areas. This cabin is equipped with its own separate head with shower and a vacuum flush freshwater head. The engine room in the 42 Classic is a standout feature. There is a Onan 8 kilowatt generator mounted aft, and there is plenty of space around both engines to easily access for maintenance. The twin Caterpillar diesels offers dependable, economical power at hull speed. Coral Caye has been well taken care of and is ready to go for her next owner. To book your appointment to view Coral Caye, contact Little Yacht Sales.